Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating a couple of places in my living room, including this wall. I've purchased a couple of things off of Amazon. I've decided to put this mug rack right here on the wall. It's actually a coffee mug rack. I just have had this idea in my head for a while. So I'm excited to put this up and decorate it with you guys. This is everything it comes with. So what I did was just lay the racks on the ground. Now they did come with 4 racks, but I'm only going to use 3 on the wall. I'm going to save the other one for something else. And I'm just measuring to see about how far or how many inches in between each rack I want them to be. So I decided to go with 13.5 inches in between each rack. And from top to bottom, it's about 27 inches. So it is a little challenging to do it by yourself. I would recommend 2 people, but hey, I did it all by myself. I just made sure it was straight, and I did use my measuring tape as well. I just couldn't film every single little thing I did. And then I marked it off with my pencil so that this mug rack stays very secure on my wall. I'm going to be using some anchors so the screws stay in place, and what I'm going to do is just use a drill bit to drill the holes first, and then I'll be hammering the anchors in before the screws. So I ended up going with 3/16 with the drill bit, and then once that was done, you hammer in your anchor. I'm using some from Home Depot. Now this does come with some, but I was trying to hammer them in and they were kind of breaking, so I decided to buy my own. So once I hammered them in, you can kind of tell that they're yellow. Then I screwed in the black screws that came with the mug rack. I was on the last rack right here, and I was just showing you a closer look. So the last part is just to add the rack with the black screws that the mug rack came with. Alright, so now for the fun part. I already went ahead and added some hooks on there, and now we're just going to add some fun stuff to the racks.
Times before, baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long
So over here, this is actually the left side of my fireplace. I purchased this vintage like basket off of Amazon as well, and that will be linked below too. So it was folded when I got it in the mail, and I just lifted it up and unfolded it, and I'm gonna add like a pillow in here. And this is meant for decoration only. It's not meant to really put laundry in there. It's not to put really heavy items in here, so it will hold pillows and throw blankets. I've already had these items on top of this console table. I'm just gonna add a few more things so it can all come together. I have this Hobby Lobby vase with greenery in here. The Oh Hello Spring is from Hobby Lobby. You probably remember that from a haul I did a couple months ago. And then I just have some vintage books in here, some DIY books, a wooden candlestick, and some hanging greenery in this thrift store basket. On each side of my fireplace, I have both of these candle holders, and I wanted to add a wreath. So what I did to see how it would look, I took this wreath from my kitchen and I really liked how it looked. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 for each side.
You as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. Please stay home and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.
You